A bold social media edit focuses on bright colors, crisp details, and strong contrast. Begin by slightly increasing exposure and boosting vibrance to make colors stand out. Raise clarity and texture on the subject to highlight details while softening the background with light blur for depth. Apply selective sharpening to eyes, accessories, or key fashion elements. Use modern, trendy color grading, such as teal shadows and warm highlights for an eye-catching aesthetic. Add a subtle vignette to keep the viewer's attention centered. The final image should feel energetic, sharp, and perfectly tailored for social platforms that favor high-impact visuals.